Let's go. Yeah, make it look easy. Hey, stand up guy on 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me, then you know that you tweaking, okay? Cause baby, I'm him.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's 2026. It is January. We're back at our first event here at Queensland Raceway. It is roll racing. It's the first round. There are some proper heavy hitters out there, some fast cars, and they're sending it down the track. After that, Anthony and I are going to head out on our Harleys and absolutely shred the main straight for a kick-ass stunt show. We have a massive year ahead of us. We have 30 events booked already. Now, I'm telling you, that ain't the end of it, because we are still chasing up quite a few leads. We're going to Phillip Island first for World Superbike. Scotty P and I are going to ride that one. Then in March, we're off to Sydney. I'll have boys here doing Matsuri. It's all happening. We are growing. I might be Tjay Stuntz and we built the brand off me, but we've also introduced Elite Stunts team to help me pull off some of these shows. It might be fun doing it by myself, but it is twice as fun if I do it with mates. And it's 5 times more fun with all the boys. We got Scotty P, we've got Cade, we've got Adam and Harry. Now that's a huge variety of riders with a mixture of skills. We got supermotos, jet bikes, Harleys. Come at us, bro, because we've got everything covered. Strength in numbers, right? We can tick off more events. We can do bigger, better shows. So that's what we're leaning towards. We're growing.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwin' the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen the effort, this piss poor. I got too much, I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money statement, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, I told him I'ma hit it out the stands. I deserve another 100 bands, I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands. Boy got time, no cap. Made a few checks but they all in the raps. Had a few friends but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride to the hop in the back. 0 to 100, seen the rev on the dash. They ain't catching up, dog, I'm moving too fast. I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in a big league.
Test runs.
Guys, Anthony freaking killed it. Mate, you look like you had a ball.
Always smiling, mate. Always smiling.
Smiles, this guy. You won't find a picture or any footage of him on a bike without a smile.
I'm not really smiling, but I think I am.
I'm
grinning. Like,
well, it looks to me like you're having a ball. I'm out there sending, and every time I turn around, he is just full smoke, having the time of his life. Brother, thank you so much for coming.
Pleasure like always.
Rolls is done, guys. Well, everyone was running away behind me a moment ago. We had a great time. I blew the tyre off my bike by accident and destroyed my rear fender and have to dig out all the wire out of my brakes now, but cool story, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming, brother. Till next time, peace. Bye.